Okay, so we're back to the cell division, and we've looked at the mitosis. We're looking at the meiosis now. So the meiosis stage, we talked about cell division being two stage, which is the mitotic and the meiotic phase. So the mitotic phase is the one that leads to growth. We've talked about that, and the meiosis is the one in which we form gametes, gamete formation. Meiosis, the main division in meiosis leads to what we know as gamete formation. And meiosis is a cell division in which there is a reduction in the number of chromosomes. Meiotic division is a cell division in which there is a reduction in number of chromosomes, and haploid daughter, 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. So you start with a single daughter cell and you have 4 haploid. You start with a single cell and you have 4 daughter cells. So you have the chromosome. For example, now let's say a diploid organism, which is a 2N organism, undergoes a meiotic division. So we have the diploid this is the chromosome number, which is 2N. On the final stage of the meiotic division, we have what we know as a hen. So this is a diploid, and the hen is what we know as an haploid. So what has happened in this is what we know as a meiotic division from a 2N organism to an organism. And examples of what undergoes a meiotic division is what we have in our formation of our sperm cell, which is called a spermatogenesis, formation of sperm, and the formation of the ovum. So the ovum is the female egg cell. The ovum is the female egg cell. All these undergoes the process known as meiotic division. So we are looking at the stages that is involved, or the stages that are involved in this meiotic division. So we have a sperm cell formation, and we have a formation of the ovum, which is on the female, and we also have the formation of spores. Formation of spores by simple plants that produce spores. So spores are haploids, the spores are dispersed, and they give rise to other organisms. And you can see the formation of spore, you can see it in the group of the plants called fungi. Fungi, the rhizophores, they produce spores that are dispersed, and you see the spores growing into other organisms. So we see these are the examples of what we have in any meiotic division, but basically we'll be looking at the stages that are involved in meiotic division stage. So we have some stages that are involved in our meiotic division. The stages are the same thing as mitosis, but what characterizes the meiotic division is that it occurs in 2 stages. So mitosis, it's a stage division. You just have a single stage from your interphase and to your telophase. And in a meiotic division, you have the first meiotic division, and you have your second meiotic division. And in your first meiotic division, we also have the stages in which we've talked about in our last session. The interphase stage, we have the prophase stage, we have also the metaphase stage, we also have the anaphase stage, and we also have the telophase stage. So the meiosis, like we said, it occurs in 2 stages: the first meiotic division and the second meiotic division. The first meiotic division gives rise to 2 daughter cells, and the second one also forming another to making 4 daughter cells. So we have the first interphase, followed by our first prophase and our metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So this is a meiosis meiotic division stages, and we get into details about all these stages as we continue in our next session.